Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is my birthday, and so I know that you guys have been wanting like a self-portrait tutorial on how I do my own self-portraits, which I don't do very often, but today I decided to do one. And so I'm gonna kind of go over how I take my own portraits. So let's get started. I'm setting up my camera on this tripod, and the camera that I'm using is a 5D Canon Mark IV, which means that it does connect to my phone, so I'm actually able to take the photos right from my phone, like focusing and getting the angle, which does make it easier. But I know that not all cameras have that option, so if you don't, then all you have to do is just set up your timer and adjust your focus, and then kind of like walk back and forth and like check yourself. I'm going to use this light right here, and what I wanted to do is just create like a cool effect. So my lens is going to be like right in front of the light.